tubung kalau cumbu surong ada jeju satu jauh kui nengka start mat thongbu ada kui continuation ka ni saya kui neng jeju start mat ba jeju ka shudo thongbu ni go lebong re jeju din bude shubu go lebong re collection ga shuso collection ni go lebong re thambi thubbi thampot trimpot ada gula collect mat thong nengkare sri bunangkat bu punu lam usogat bu या तो चर्चा सिस्टम अजंगत निबम को सेरे गंदा पब्लिक गा पुनुसा पब्लिक गंदा कोई रॉन्ग उपसोंग निम्बू रंजुंग सा अरे गंदा करे मैंडेटरी निबम का और ये सिस्टम करे अरे जजू पुसोशोंग ने मैंडेटरी निबम को अरे करे अरे स्टोरी अरे का गा अरे जजू अरे स्टोरी चैप्टर अरे करे Burtuk liang sa afford turn selere tu nengkare are jejure collection asal liang kala liang sa kyong sala huin collection mathur nengkare busogat bu are hui sa anamsa afford bu sa turn nibang bu along abi kuinan suatu jok sa class ka shum maglagat along burtuk liang sa ganda busosong sa afford ka ada song nengkala collection mat na mondol sandi ka buson ka mondol sandi lamana ko ne ka package ga packing mat nengkare punulang bunon de bambu tidi ong sam nibam rong tidi ong sam sadep kare mojara mondol nengkare punlog yukun non ka bumana senla mondol rakang namra khir mukun for some reason he cannot go senla hu abi hu nengkare punlog yukun dem learn Klong long punulam busobo anamra gom khutmo yong din kare mundol thum nangka pundok kim mandal li thambuga ate beka ong sambu tadi ong sambu bun bu sambu re tadi rong tadi ong song ni we use a dress code ni bangga along dress shoe ni bangga ni bangga ko huina ko dia mun ka non gan pu senla kaisa rong kup song re ude affordable manin god serena la along ya pulu sa tuchar ka huisa sedang ka bang na yuk juk na ka huyu sa do huina ka service bibam ba to tulo sa gyu ki cho dutto are ka huina ka they cannot could not focus on their own financial this one condition kaga huina kare अनुमान करे हुने तुदो सतन का अरिम ड्रेस पान का दिम सong दिन का हुइन का अजंग मक मखदबु अलंग कुइ स ong song re ong sambure ko nyorong dong bang ni nyorong kyong ka dong bang ka huin ka they like they are going for borrowing the dress for a particular day they have to wear that dress anangare they have to carry ga potters, okay, potters they also should wear the dress while going to see king. Along, although they are like potters, they have to wear. Senla along abi ulumat nangka we nong nangkare abi non that one. Ude beka sambu ore potter sambu beka kat nanchuli ma kuisu punu resezang ni pu yang li nangkare. Nong kat nangkare uluman li bare punu resezang ni pu yang li nali bare. Gandan gambun ya bubun buneshuli cha kayu ani pe ba punu Dinto kanong nangka sihat pare punu srezang ni pu li nangkare. They were very excited go along who is a lifetime ka this is opportunity that they are meeting they are seeing their king go along dinong you non that papa punlo pre nam 66 years lingure tarok khyo thambu punyom yamba go dok thukung lingure doctor ganbu mura yamba ko de mura go thaknan bu asen ko ahir plongka pokri sambu chokbambu pun hui sedep kare punlok yukman re achen tung he was very tall and wearing red monk dress plong kare with full monk dress ga and athak kare shum ne wa pokri sambu yukman sa chambu bunina ure tukbuna long bambu ga yukman re along huyu nahan mu huyu sa mujok pana ore sambu bubun busa nahan da mujok pana ka keng lom keng lingbu de along ashan bu murok to ashan bu muroga tall when tall man walks he looks like something like tall person when some tall person walks sirang sisho how he looks like for example keng linang ka describe lisho macho mana keng long ba linanga naham non det babu photo ka kyoran ba ria un mundu musong la jeju bulun hui hudosa nahan non det bamsho along hui re fodong ka kyoran ba fodong lin bula palace ga punusa palace ka kyoran ba they are about to reach the palace otet ba hui sanahan ritu non det kamoye ria mundu lin bula ofi sweet solution ka ranka nka rumtip nom sabe kare ria mundu liam bulian ni ga wrong kup soma kya ubala thupsho ubasa muro somre huyu sanahan huyu la jeju buso ka non de bambu huina ka chum kaflik re jeju buso len lodwam thoma kumdum asar liang sa muro somre jeju buso len kara they were returning back okay and kumdum re just they are going huyu fodol sa ajat doga nga sosho along they were very near to palace they were reaching very near to palace and ubitaka they just rest go they took rest chikam fodol sa nahan huyu rest macho along gom putlok re ak netbu pengka topan bubun bu songrem livung along re punu re solution ga yun go lama na sumulinga alo manaka pengka ak topan gare bubun bu songrem hunga now he is going to say something to the porters ga shuli go ligom re along kayu jeju punu dunka sosho un punu lat bungsa tok do phyak o go punu ram anang mangak mat gap na ding o along abi punu the monk is giving an instruction to the these people the porters while king arrive okay king come in front of us that time you all have to bow your head down and you should not face the king directly go ulumana gare li along bichara kuisa porters are some they have some expectation like they were very excited to see king senla they could not see king go sire jambu tong go kuisa are solution ga sire jambu tong rules go along kayu jeju punu sadun ka sosho ga now we are offering our jeju to the king that time huyu sanahanre punu sanahanre you got within that show you have to bow down your head anakare you should not face the king dinakare li sambun munmu yam athak ngam show three of them they were just alamananga mun linakare athak ngam na libisho okay linalisho butuku some jeju busho linakare so the announcement okay and the announcement came from king's palace king's office okay ko aduk diam bambu murokat men lip yip mo ga the man who is wearing white ko baku ga hunga almonaka likit he just called that butukmu song turn butukmu song jeju buso dinagare di jeju punong ban di sa liangton punurem jeju kulung asar juk thobu liangka jeju thamma along nahan jeju buddha banaka punu sanahan huyu they present their jeju and they keep aside that stuff okay anagare thamma abi var yog jubu song tiangla ko adum un popri shampoo tukbu hum bu yumba gumna abi the workers workers in the palace are all in Shumaniga white bamboo. Adumbu kodam bamboo ni bamboo. Vile palace uraga yuk mat pusong regular. Adumbu kodam gatbu buisa dress ni bamboo. Unang gara pokri shambu ni bore ore shambu sirele dress sa aktor kona attack dress dem bara attack kara pokri shambu tugat buisa ni bamboo. Ola unan Arab ring do Jogvamsham and their official language is Arab ring kunyong ring ni bangga. Sela muzu gun un amlem ring ba gun tetre gap tetre wrong to gomsit liok. But looking at their feature, okay, physical feature, the face cut and all that, they looks like wrong to a gap shoe. Okay, maximum people who works in the palace. They are wrong. Go. I capture wrong way in back. But they have to speak Bhutia, go official language. Putloknan Kadoka Dutlung Shambu Re or Ban Korem Kam Thing Show. Putloknan Shuma along Kadoka Dut go Kadolin Bore the Kadok go scarf. When God did Tobunagare, Chamburam come, Alabama adjustment Tobunaga, and he is adjusting his dress, come take Tobunagare. Punus on 100, now he's saying something, he's offering the things from his village, God, he's representing his village, so he has to say something, some word to the king, God. Along with it, Punlok Nashumali, Pembo, Chenbo, Namdo dinagare hunuga put Arab ringa hunili punu chenba mo yang dimo fiatet ka punu chenen chika ngansho and king came and he sat on his seat ga ano ngansho umlanan phyok chamo and everybody bows down ga bu bun bu song dog tugum gap Bu look ding show. Anagare bu bun bu song red dog though they like potters they bow down for a while for a minute or after a few seconds. Okay, when everybody got to get up. After that, they three of them they get up and Hunanka they stood. Look ding show. Pullok nan jeju. Flonka, Kadok Kapban, a good yet bude Kabok Matban, Lapton Shisho. Along the Lognanka, who is a Jeju, Renahan Buso Tobananga, Lognan or Jeju Saplonkare, Kadok, Puban, Gananga, Shuli Pembu Kendi, Burtu Kyongle, Mamepo, Lotu Kipu, Pubo, in Pembu Ranki Tuzile Tuchi Nachi Kyona Mise Tu Nao Tao Gande Kidu Mese Yuse Yen Dinagare Munaga Arab Jinga Ulumanaga he said something or Shulin Bugoli Gomre Punu Ken Jeju are Burtuk Kyung Longum Kayusa Akusa Kyung Long Tuk Bisa Akut Pudding Mo Akusa Kyung Mundol Akusa Kyung Lomanaga Tuk Bisa Akut Pudding Mo Punu Dosa Tuzinen Anam Kayu Kyung Sa Misa Dog not un Sre Jong Kidukla Manin Mo. Along Punu also to Zin and Madba because of your blessing we all are fine, we all are like peaceful, like prosper, God. Lang Nam Arigare, we are ring doni mode in the Kare. Punlok Nankare, Punus Nahan, Arim Pubam. Pununan Libung, Utebeka, Pununan Shudi. Ocha Chukidu Mene Lepe Lingurai Ayu Kiduk Miningom Rupa Yamdinga Pununun Dun Pununun Di Attack Gumlum Punu Jilem Van Nonbu Sampunun Yodumothone along Atebeka Pununun Garishumuli along uyu arium nigong ka jupa yo lina kare punure di nong ka van non lavan non semla are sambu bubun bu sambu 3 boys they does not know king returned back inside the palace go ore na mayun sambu nanga huyu sambu ayak gap no do dim ni bu ute sumtet ka go along pundok men re along ute do pundok na shuli oi likvung athak thal seng ba bu pong pil dum bana yo pundok nan ko ma ni oi bu pong pil bana yo linu kare alam man ka action ka go bana linu kare pundok nan are samburi shumat ka order mat go along abhi sir guzet kap nan liba along ubi do yuk mat bu murakat nan ka shuli ucha chu mala phyo pho chula khangna baksho limbure shuliam ayu mala chukla khang ka bunu ore are bure thik bunu ka mala ka chukla khang ka bunu limbure palace so bi re shumuni bu gabu ka ni bu bi gamu ka bu so li na lin bu sambu dum mat ne bu shuk bu punlok tugum raksho along ate beka are sambu no ong sambu go bicara ko yusa rong no ong sambu kiyo mula are sambu re punlok sa punlok sa along shumulia punlok sa tugum ka along punlok ta budo hire huisa bi in charge go leader hunsa re are sambu re kiyo mula ko yusa rong ong sambu re punlok sa tugum ka punlok na se sangi ore jang ko yu nyan ga buma go ore tu chat ka rong go song re vek jong mat nang ga bang di buma along sulo mat se go tu charin along tunu sa chat ka along na ko yusa mura song re shuma cha tu yusa sedam ka vek jong na bang di bu ore tu chat sa aring yimba so atet doklong surong sa lesson atet ka thoka kuyu next class ka continue mat nanga ade chapter end mat ka chuwa alo ore sa dep ka go uyu question both hambani mola surong sa question re uyu nanga ade chapter lam nanga ngak tho bananga dok tho bananga answer pino tho uisa exercise book ka lo jeju lingbure shuga jeju ka busoga bu thamrong pongre shu ni thoga punu le jeju buso shong tan ka kyong lang mura tu no shong ga jeju nin bure shuga jeju nin bure thukbi sa thukbi thambar report sa aphut ga srelim le koinung punu le buso sho urelim le jeju li sho jeju ka buso ga bu thamlong pong le shu ga thamli shushuga bifong sa aput pong tampot sa aput pong thukbi sa aput shushu nisho chi sunang kare kushu sunang kare poong sashet kundong tudo san nyatsin ka shushu potcho adong pong anaga bifong pong shushu potcho ore kudla abi mention mat kachuga pinga chumo puno le jeju buso shong ka kyong lang mura tu nong shonga kyong lang mura tu nong sho punlok hikmun mundol re kyong lang mananga are jeju busoga nong sho are re uinaga pinaga uisa exercise book ka pinat ho no strong sitan ka along atet to thoka tok chimo